Take a look at this dusty basement, cracked walls, deep holes with the presence of mice, insects, and cobwebs. Now look at it after our team got to work. The walls are smooth, bright, and completely sealed. In this video, I will instruct you step by step through how Dependable Concrete repaired this basement. From cleaning out deep pocketed holes to cementing and resurfacing the walls and floor, you'll see exactly how we turned this rodent-infested, dusty basement into a bright, dust-free basement. Okay, let's dive in. This project is located in the Cobbs Creek section of Philadelphia, an area known for its classic row homes, many with old basements just like this one. This is exactly the kind of space we love transforming, taking neglected basements and turning them into clean, bright, and usable rooms. This customer was ready for a change, and as you can see, this basement was dusty, crusty, full of cobwebs, and dark. We're going to change all that. First, we'll remove the rotten paneling, the old partition walls, and the outdated bathroom at the front of the basement. Once everything's cleared out, we'll finally be able to see the full structure and start rebuilding from a clean slate. Once the demo's complete, we'll move right into prepping these walls for cement. That means cleaning, scraping, and getting the surface ready for a strong bond, the foundation of a lasting job. Take a look at this. I'm placing a stick right into these deep pocketed holes in the wall. You can see how deep and easily it goes straight through. That's exactly how mice and other rodents have been getting into this basement. Let's prep these walls. I'm using a hose to wash away all the loose dust, dirt, and debris from these deep pocketed holes. This step is critical. If we leave any loose material behind, the new cement won't bond properly. With a hose, we've flushed out all the loose material from the deep pocketed holes and cleaned the surface thoroughly. Next, we applied a strong bonding glue to the walls to make sure the cement adheres properly. Now, we're ready to begin spraying the walls with cement. Dependable uses state-of-the-art equipment to get the job done efficiently. While most companies still rely on hand troweling cement, our mortar spraying technique covers large areas fast and seals tight spots with ease. The result? A quicker turnaround and a stronger seal, making our process clearly superior. For deep pocketed holes like these, our cement sprayer forces the mix deep into every cavity, completely filling and sealing the gaps. This process restores the integrity of the foundation and prevents mice from finding their way back into the basement. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to see more real basement transformations from Dependable Concrete. We're now spraying the first coat of cement, known as the scratch coat. This layer is critical because it creates the foundation for the second coat to bond properly. As we apply it, we scratch the surface to form small grooves. Those grooves give the next layer something to grip, creating a strong, durable connection between coats. This first coat also helps us level the wall as much as possible before moving on to the final finish. Remember, our goal is to make these walls flat and smooth, just like drywall. The first coat has dried and the wall is now much flatter with a rough scratched surface. We're applying a fresh layer of glue to help the second coat adhere perfectly to the first. This next coat is where the wall really comes together. It allows us to smooth out the surface and make it completely flat, just like drywall. Our sprayer easily reaches between the floor joists, sealing off common entry points where rodents travel between neighboring houses. The walls have been smoothed and flattened, and now we're ready for the sponging stage. This step gives the surface a clean, even texture and prepares it for paint. This step really makes a difference. It evens out any small trowel marks and leaves the surface smooth and consistent, just like drywall. Taking the time to do this right gives the paint a perfect surface to bond to, helping it go on evenly and last longer. As you can see, this wall is now much flatter and all the deep pocketed holes are gone. Next, let's restore this damaged floor. Before applying the self-leveling cement, we need to prepare the floor properly. First, we patch all severely damaged areas with regular cement to create a solid base. Then we clean the entire floor, remove any loose debris, and vacuum thoroughly. For this project, we're using a self-bonding, self-leveling cement. This material is designed to grip tightly to the existing surface while creating a smooth, even finish across the entire floor. Our team works quickly to spread and blend the mix before it sets, making sure the entire floor levels out evenly from wall to wall. Restoring the floor with self-leveling cement saves the homeowner thousands of dollars. Otherwise, the entire floor would need to be demolished, hauled out through a small window, and then wet concrete pumped back in, a costly and time-consuming process. In most cases, only about 1/8 of an inch of cement is needed to cover and level the entire floor. That thin layer is all it takes to create a smooth, durable surface that looks brand new. Now take a good look at this finish. The floor is now level, smooth, and achieved at just a fraction of the cost of replacing it. Once again, Dependable Concrete brings over 45 years of experience transforming basements like this, turning what looks like a dungeon into a clean, comfortable living space. Now this basement is complete, and once again, Dependable Concrete has thrilled another customer with their craftsmanship. They can now enjoy a bright, dust-free, and rodent-free space where they can do laundry or store personal items with confidence. If you've enjoyed watching this basement transformation in Cobbs Creek, Philadelphia, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps support the channel and lets us know you want to see more Philly basements go from a dungeon to a clean space. And don't forget to subscribe to Dependable Concrete. We share real basement makeovers and tips to convert your basement from a dungeon to a bright, clean, dust-free space.